Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and I just wanted to share with you a nifty little trade that I scooped out about $5,000 out of the market in less than 10 minutes. I want to show you how I did it and why I did it. So first off, you'll notice that it's only 9:52 a.m. in the morning. That means that the market has only been open for a giant amount of 22 minutes. Now, I put a pending order to sell short the stock of Wayfair, ticker symbol W. And you can see that I put my order in before the market even opened at a price level of 53. Now, I detected that this trade was in a downtrend and had a significant bear price pattern, but early in the morning, this stock was going to open up about $3. And I thought that this was a huge discrepancy based on the patterns in the market. So I shorted it at $53, and within 10 minutes, I got out of half my shares at $51.69 and the other half at $50.98. You can see I had a total position of 3,000 shares. I got out of half my position at $51.69 and pocketed about $1,965. I got out of the other half and made $2 at over $3,000 on that position. So in just a few short minutes, $5,000. Now I'm going to show you how I did it and why I did it. This is a live view of the trading market on January 16th, about 24 minutes after the market opened. As you can see, I assembled on my watch list this morning about a half a dozen stocks, all of which I wanted to go short, meaning I wanted to bet on the decline in those stocks. But all of the stocks, only Wayfair opened much higher. You can see that Wayfair opened at $53 and is now currently trading about $2 lower at $51.22. So I determined that this was a price discrepancy based on what I detected on the charts. This is a live screen capture of the prices and a price chart of Wayfair. As you can see, Wayfair is trading down at $51.28. It opened at $53. So I took out $2 out of this market in less than 10 minutes based on what I perceived is a big looming bear price pattern in the stock of Wayfair. So when we look at the chart of Wayfair, I look at a number of technical considerations. So when looking at a chart, I always take into consideration a number of things. The first off is I look at what is the dominant trend. And you can see that Wayfair has been in a short-term uptrend. But I see an emerging pattern which suggests that this uptrend is about to be reversed. And so I'm looking at what's called a reversal price pattern in the form of this head and shoulders. So you can see on the left-hand side we have this emerging shoulder. On the top here, we have this rounding top or the head. And then on the right side, we have a very symmetrical looking right shoulder. So now we have what's called a head and shoulders bear price pattern. Now, these price patterns are only confirmed when they go through what's called a neckline. A neckline is basically the line that is drawn through the pattern. And you can see that Wayfair is sitting right at this inflection point of both the uptrend and the head and shoulders price pattern. And once it goes through this neckline, then that pattern will be confirmed. Even though it wasn't confirmed, I still detected that the opening was going to be a huge discrepancy. You can see that the market is basically in a down momentum, and that this opening was a price disparity and a discrepancy that I leaped on and took advantage of. And because the market is in such a fluctuation state, I determined that I was just going to get in this trade, and it gave me a nice $5,000, and so I just got out of it. But I anticipate if Wayfair looks weak or the pattern still suggests that I will once again initiate a short position for a much bigger move to the downside. But I just wanted to share with you how I observe prices on a technical basis, only looking at the price patterns and the price action. This is what I do 3 days a week in our tactical trading room webinars, where we come in and observe what's going on in the market 1 hour before the market actually opens, and try and find stocks like Wayfair that offer us a price discrepancy where we can leap on it before the market even opens. So attached with this video will be a link to sign up to the Tactical Trading Room, or to join us on our next free webinar about the Tactical Trading Room, and I hope to see all of you on the webinar. So with that said, I hope you have a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I will see you next time.